Magandang araw sa inyo mga perkoy, hito na naman ako magbibigay ng makabuluhang reaksyon kung sino ang mas magaling si Michael Jordan ba o si LeBron James.
Early life and college career. Michael Jordan was born on February 17, 1963, in Brooklyn, New York.
He played college basketball at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, where he won the NCAA championship in 1982 and hit the game-winning shot in the final. NBA career and championships. Jordan was drafted by the Chicago Bulls in 1984 and went on to become one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He won 6 NBA championships with the Bulls and was a 5-time NBA Most Valuable Player, MVP. Legacy and impact. Jordan's impact on basketball and popular culture is immense. His competitive spirit, scoring ability, and charisma made him a global icon, leading to the creation of the Air Jordan brand and influencing a generation of athletes. Early struggles. Michael Jordan faced challenges early in his career, including being cut from his high school varsity team as a sophomore. This setback motivated him to work harder and become one of the greatest players in basketball history. Competitive drive. Jordan's relentless competitiveness is legendary. He pushed himself and his teammates to excel, leading by example with his work ethic and dedication to improvement. Off-court impact. Beyond his basketball skills, Jordan's influence extended off the court. He became a global brand ambassador, showcasing his business acumen through partnerships and endorsements that helped shape modern sports marketing.
Championships during his career. He achieved this feat with the Chicago Bulls, winning titles in 1991, 1992, 1993, 1996, 1997, and 1998. His partnership with coach Phil Jackson and teammates like Scottie Pippen was instrumental in these victories. NBA Finals MVP awards. Jordan's dominance in the NBA Finals earned him 6 NBA Finals MVP awards, one for each championship victory. His ability to elevate his game in crucial moments and deliver under pressure solidified his reputation as a clutch performer. Olympic gold medals. In addition to his NBA success, Jordan also won 2 Olympic gold medals with the United States men's basketball team. He was part of the Dream Team that captured gold at the 1984 Los Angeles Olympics and the 1992 Barcelona Olympics, showcasing his talent.
Early career and high school success. LeBron James was born on December 30, 1984, in Akron, Ohio. He gained national attention while playing high school basketball at St. Vincent St. Mary High School, where he won 3 state championships and became one of the most highly touted prospects in NBA history. NBA stardom and championships. LeBron entered the NBA directly from high school, selected as the first overall pick by the Cleveland Cavaliers in 2003. He has since become si LeBron James ay isang sikat na manlalaro ng basketball sa NBA na may napakalaking impluwensya hindi lamang sa larangan ng basketball kundi pati na rin sa lipunang pangkalahatan. Narito ang 3 puntos na may kinalaman kay LeBron James.
Manlalaro ng basketball at karera. LeBron James ay isinilang noong ika-30 ng Disyembre taong 1984 sa Akron, Ohio. Siya ay itinuturing na isa sa mga pinakamahusay na manlalaro sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Simula pa noong siya ay napili bilang first overall pick ng Cleveland Cavaliers noong 2003 NBA Draft, nagpakita siya ng kahusayan sa kanyang laro. Sa kasalukuyan, si LeBron ay isang 4 na beses na NBA champion at may maraming individual na parangal tulad ng NBA MVP awards.
Off-court influence at aktivismo. Laban sa labas ng basketball court, si LeBron ay kilala rin sa kanyang malasakit sa komunidad at pambansang aktivismo. Itinatag niya ang LeBron James Family Foundation na naglalayong magbigay ng tulong sa edukasyon at iba pang proyektong pangkapayapaan. Bilang isang kilalang atleta, ginamit ni LeBron ang kanyang boses upang ipahayag ang kanyang pananaw sa mga mahahalagang isyu tulad ng karapatan ng mga atleta at katarungan sa lipunan. Pang-ekonomiya at personalidad. Dahil sa kanyang tagumpay sa larangan ng basketball at ang kanyang malawak na impluwensya, si LeBron James ay isa sa mga pinakamahalagang tao sa mundo ng sports entertainment. Siya ay isang iconic na presensya hindi lamang sa NBA kundi maging sa larangan ng negosyo at Hollywood, na nagbukas ng maraming oportunidad para sa kanya sa iba't ibang aspeto ng kanyang karera. A 4-time NBA champion, winning titles with the Miami Heat in 2012 and 2013, the Cleveland Cavaliers in 2016, and the Los Angeles Lakers in 2020. Off-court influence and philanthropy. Beyond his on-court success, LeBron James is known for his philanthropic efforts and activism. He established the LeBron James Family Foundation.
NBA championships. LeBron James has won a total of 4 NBA championships throughout his career. He won 2 championships with the Miami Heat in 2012 and 2013, leading the team alongside Dwayne Wade and Chris Bosh. He then returned to the Cleveland Cavaliers and led them to their first ever NBA championship in 2016, overcoming a 3-1 deficit against the Golden State Warriors. His 4th championship came with the Los Angeles Lakers in 2020, teaming up with Anthony Davis.
NBA Finals MVP Awards. LeBron's stellar performances in the NBA Finals have earned him 4 NBA Finals MVP awards, one for each championship victory. His ability to dominate games on both ends of the floor and elevate his teammates' performances has been crucial to his success in the finals. Olympic gold medals. In addition to his NBA accomplishments, LeBron James has also excelled on the international stage. He has won 2 Olympic gold medals with Team USA, in 2008 at the Beijing Olympics and in 2012 at the London Olympics, further cementing his status as one of the greatest basketball players of all time.
Mga perkoy, in my humble opinion, mas angat pa talaga si LeBron James kay Michael Jordan, dahil si LeBron lang naman ang tinatawag ng mga fans ng The Monkey, habang si Jordan ang GOAT ng NBA. Mga perkoy, kung nasiyahan kayo sa video na maaari ka mag-like, comment, share and subscribe. Salamat po.